What are the steps in solving, simplifying this? Anybody? Step one. Distribute what? There's an invisible number right here. What number is it? It's invisible. It's a 1. I don't know. I'm going to do something. Maybe it helps. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. That's a subtract 1, I guess. People get confused on subtraction sign and minus, negative, I mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this minus as a add the opposite. Add the opposite. So then that is a negative. That's a negative 1. And we're going to multiply negative 1 times positive 5x to the third. That is negative 5x to the third. We're going to multiply, distribute, negative 1 times that positive 9x squared. All it does is changes the sign. Basically, if it's a 1 here, all it does is change this plus to a minus, that minus to a plus, that minus to a plus. Really turns it off the other way. So when it's just a 1 here, it's a minus 9x squared plus 6x plus 3. Distribute a 1 here, does nothing. It does, so just bring it down without. Oh no, let's do something here. Plus a negative, maybe it's here. Okay. So we're gonna now put it in order from high power to low power. So let's go with looking at, I'm gonna underline it, and then I'm gonna ask one of you guys to help me out with this. Here we go. Don't say anything. I'm going to underline it. That's the higher power here. Is there another one I can combine with x cubed? And it's right here. Don't say anything. Peter, give me the answer to what is 2x cubed plus negative 5x cubed? Let me go ahead and take a little bit of time here. So the question was, that's the question. You don't need to write it over again, anybody. Can you try again? What is the answer to this? You said 7. Negative 7. Interesting. Yeah. Really, what that is, the problem is not knowing this. It comes down to 5th grade mathematics. Adding, subtracting integers. What was that? You have $2. You have $2 and you owe 5. What is the other one? No, I'm done. No. This is enough. I don't. No, there shouldn't be no. I think it should be. I know. Yeah, let's go. 2x cubed plus a negative 5x cubed. 2 plus a negative 5, that's negative 3x cubed. Let's keep going. Yeah, there's only so much, and yeah, you guys need to put in the work. Negative 2x squared plus what? Is there another one over here? Let's go like this. Dulce. I'm going to go ahead and just write it down over here. Look. Let's go, Dulce. What is it? Loud. Negative 7. Negative 7. Now, does this help in any way? Shh, everybody be quiet. Let me see. Hold on. Dulce. I helped out a student in my first period and that seemed to work. I don't know what's going to happen. Let me see if this helps. Dulce. Shh. This is a subtract sign that I'm going to go ahead and did what I did over there. Subtract, and I'm going to go like this. What do you think is the answer to that now? Isn't this a negative? Would you agree that's a negative, Dulce, or is it not? What do you think it is? Is that a negative or a minus? Right here. I want to know what's going on in your head. What do you think it is? No, just say what you think it is. What is it? Dulce, what is it? What is it to you? Is that a minus or a negative? Saraida, is that a minus or a negative? Loud. Negative? I just want to know what's going on in you guys' heads. What's the problem? I mean, what is that one then? That's a negative. So what is a negative 2 plus a negative 9? What do you think it's a negative 2 plus a negative 9? 7. You think it's 7? How about like, can we go back to like money that you owe $2 and you owe $9 in like common sense? Like forget what your teacher taught you this and that. If you owe $2 and you owe $9, how much do you owe? Loud. You owe 7. Wow. You owe $2 and you owe 9. How much do you owe? Are you kidding me? About a negative times? Stop with that. Can we do common sense? Peter, you owe 2 and you owe 9. How much do you owe total? 11. You owe 11. Speak okay, that's good. Stop already, guys. Let's stop. I gotta get going with this. Negative 2 plus negative 9 is negative 11x squared. 5x plus 6x. 5 sticks plus 6 sticks is 11 sticks. All right. We'll give you one more time. Shh, be quiet. Don't say anything. Dulce, one last time. Dulce, do something here. I'm going to circle it. I'm going to circle. And I'm going to circle. This and that. Tell me what the answer is. What's negative 7 plus 3? You owe $7. You have 3. What is it?
So that was supposed to be a positive one. You put negative.
Where, what?
Before when you was writing it, you put the second 11 as a negative.
Where? This? What?
No, before when you was writing it, the second 11, you put it as a negative.
All right, let's go to the lesson for today. Hey, let's go, because we ran out of time here. Let's write it down. Let's go, everybody, get going. Write it down, because I got to get going with the lesson. And here's where people get confused with adding polynomials and multiplying polynomials. Okay, this is what you need to remember about multiplying polynomials. I'm even going to write it down right here in this class. Let me go ahead and, these are only 2 steps we're going to do, and then combine like terms, but it's going to be coefficients are the numbers. I call them numbers. Numbers are multiplied. And I called it powers, which is the exponents. Powers are added. And then we combine like terms. Add. This is added. All right, here we go. Step 1, numbers. What do I mean by numbers? Coefficients. These are the numbers are multiplied. Numbers are multiplied. What is 2 times negative 6? Negative 12? Powers are added. Powers are added. What's the power of x if it doesn't have a number right here? What's the number? Invisible.
1.
What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is?
3.
Let's do this again. No, that was the first distributive property. The second one, we're going to go distribute. Numbers, these are numbers are multiplied. That's a negative 3, okay? It's minus, it's a negative. A positive times a negative is a positive times a negative is negative 6, and then x times x, powers are added. 1 plus 1 is? Numbers are multiplied. 2 times 2 is what?
4.
And just bring down the x because it doesn't have anything to do anything with it, combine or anything. That's all. And there's nothing more to do there. And that is the answer.
Why do you get an X?
Because this one has an x. You just has done. You're just gonna bring it down. All right, your turn. Okay, so here we go. Your turn. Let's go. Let's do number 2. Let me give you 3 minutes, and then I'm going to walk around and check for understanding. Number 2. Let's get going. ¿Lo damos de Peter? We gotta get going with this. I already noticed that people need calculators. 5 times 4 is 20. Numbers are multiplied, powers are added. X 1 plus 2 is 5 times negative 2. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. X1 and x1, 1 plus 1 is 2, x squared. 5 times negative 7, 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. Just bring down the x. All right, let's go. Let's do, write it down, let's do it together. We're gonna do this one together. And when I ask you, try your best to participate. Let's see if, all right, let's go. Numbers are multiplied. 5 times 3 is 15. Powers are added. What is 3 plus 2? Numbers are multiplied. And yes, here's where people are like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Why do you not get it? There's no number here. No number. What's the number if it doesn't have anything there? 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. X3 times x1. 3 and 1 is x4. 5 times 8. What's 5 times 8? Is that 40? Just bring it down. Now we're going to do the happy face. We did this first term. Now we got to distribute the second term here. A negative times a positive. What's a negative times a positive? That's a negative. 2 times 3 is? 6x what? Cubed. Can I put it under this one because they're like terms? Yes, that's the way I do it. Minus 6x3 to the third power. A big happy face. Negative times a negative equals a? A negative times a negative equals a positive what? 2 times 1 is? 2x squared. Because 1 plus 1 is 2. And the very last one here. Negative 2x times 8. What's negative 2x times 8? Negative 16. X. Is x? Yes. And now I'll draw a line and then just kind of like, there's nothing to add to 15. Just bring it down. Bring down the negative 5x to the 4th. Is that 34x cubed? Yes. Combine like terms, that 2x squared. And is that minus 16x? Is this the answer? Let's see. Did we do this correct? Let's see. Let me erase. You guys got this. Let me erase this. Let's see what we got here. let's see, we got the same answer. All right, we're almost done. Let's go. When you draw this, don't take so long. You know what I mean? Look, all you got to do is draw a rectangle. Imagine. So this is me looking at this. I just need to draw a rectangle. I need to put a little rectangle here on the top left like this. And get all the dimensions that you need. This is a deck. This is a deck. This is the grass here. So this whole thing is going to be grass. That's the deck. And then write down the length is, this is the length, x squared plus 3x minus 4. The width is x squared minus 4 here. The deck, this is x plus 4, which is going to be the length. And this is x minus 4. And I'm done. That's all you really need. You need the dimensions. Okay, and here's the question. What is the perimeter? What does perimeter mean? Does anybody remember that? Add up all the sides of the outside. So perimeter means to add up all the outside length. So we're gonna add this up to this and then to this like this. Yes. All right. Why did I? Yes. So now let's go back to this. Find the perimeter of the entire yard. Would you agree, everybody? If the bottom is this L here, this L, wouldn't the top be the same as the bottom here? This? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So wouldn't this be also x squared plus 3x minus 4? And so if this is the width here, wouldn't that be the same over here? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes? Go. So basically, isn't there a formula for this kind of stuff? Yes, there is a formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Wouldn't it be that have two L's, 1, 2, and then two widths? So perimeter, let's go ahead and do it this way. Perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. Or 2W plus 2L, it doesn't matter. 2W plus 2L. All right, let's go. So the perimeter will equal 2 as we continue. Perimeter equals 2. What is W? What is the W in there? What is W? What is it? Plus 2L. And what is L? Oh, didn't we just do this in the problem here, distribute? Okay, continue. What is 2 times x squared? What is 2 times negative 4? What is 2 times negative 4? Negative 8? Distribute. What is 2 times x squared here? What is 2 times 3x? What is 2 times negative 4? Now we just got to simplify. What is 2x squared plus what? Is there another one to combine? Yes. What is this? 4x squared. 4x squared. And then we can, nothing, no, let's go with 6x. Anything with 6x? Anything to combine with 6x? Just bring it down, 6x. And who are we gonna ask? What's negative 8 and negative 8 added? You owe 8, you owe 8 more, you owe what else are we gonna do? It's a second degree trinomial now. All right, let's go. Find the area of the deck. Let's find the area of the deck. Isn't it right here, the deck up here? Yes, it's a small little rectangle here. So area equals, what's the formula for area of a rectangle? Length times the width. What is L? We're doing the deck. We're doing the deck. What's the width? What's the x minus 4? Then we're going to multiply. X times x. X times negative 4. Happy face. 4 times x. What? 4 times negative 4 is negative. What's going to happen right there in the middle? Combine it, which is going to turn out to be what? What's negative 4x plus 4x?
0.
So the answer is what? X squared minus 16? All right, we're going to finish with this. Let's go. Last problem for today. Part C, find the area of the entire yard. So find the area of the whole yard. So that's going to be the big rectangle. That's going to be this times that. Length times width is the same as width times length, because I want to put the W first. Okay, everybody, yes, agree? L times W is the same as W times L, no? So I'm going to put the W first. I like to put that one first, x squared minus 4. Here we go. Participate. Your name is not here. What's your name over there in the back? Huh? Abisay. Abisay. What is x squared times x squared? Sarida, what is x squared times x squared? All right, let's remember, what did I say about multiplying? Because we are multiplying. Numbers are multiplied. What's the number in front of x squared? What's invisible number? 1 times, what's invisible here? What's 1 times 1? You're not doing anything there. 1 times 1 is 1. It's just the same, but powers are added. The answer is what? X to the 4th. What is x squared times 3x? Anybody? 1 times 3 is 3. 2 plus 1 is yes. X squared times negative 4 is what? Negative 4x squared. Happy face? Come on, give an answer. Let's go. Negative 4x squared. How about this? Please, somebody, what's this? Negative. And the last one, what is going to be the very last here? Positive 16. So the final answer is going to be nothing to combine with x to the 4th. Nothing to combine with 3x3. Kimberly. You owe 4 and you owe 4. Anybody? You owe 4 and you owe 4. You owe squared. Is that negative 12x? Is that what it is? Bring it over. And we're done for today. Let's see. X4 plus 3x minus 8x and x plus 16. And we are done for today.